How to block third-party cookies in Brave browser on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn them off to limit cross-site tracking. First, open the Brave app on your Android device. From there, tap the three dots at the bottom right. After that, tap Settings. At this point, tap Brave Shields and Privacy. Following this, look for Block Cross-Site Cookies, or a similarly labeled option about third-party cookies. From here, tap the toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, this applies as your default setting across every website you visit in Brave. At this stage, if you want to adjust this for one specific site instead of globally, there's a way to do that too. Following this, visit the specific website. From here, tap the Brave Shields icon in the address bar, usually shown as a small lion. At this stage, tap Advanced Controls. Following this, look for the cookie blocking setting within that site's individual Shields panel. From here, adjust it separately if that particular site needs cookies allowed to function properly. That's how you block third-party cookies in Brave browser on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.